Okay, La Quinta Chevrolet. We've had Danielle's car going to you for warranty work. Mainly because it's under warranty, so you can change the oil because you can do it actually cheaper than I can. And if it's under warranty, it's your fucking problem, not mine. Well, when I go to service the trans at 50-something thousand miles and the cap for the trans is like this, and it's not tight because I grabbed it and I tightened it, and it's a thread and a half out. Yeah, you guys are setting it up for failure because you're a fucking dealership and you're out here to con people. I get it. You're here to fuck people over because you can't actually fix anything, so you're going to fuck people. But guess what? You're dealing with somebody in the industry, and, well, fuck you. I'm going to change this fluid tonight and wipe it down, and you're never going to... No GM dealer is ever going to see this car again until we trade it in. Apparently on another piece of shit GM product, because this is a piece of shit. I hate it, and I wish we would have bought it. But, you know, I still have to make the payment to make wifey happy. But if wifey had fucking 2 brain cells, I would just buy another fucking 7.3 truck and she could drive that and not be pissy about it. But she wants a new car, so I'm stuck paying for something that I don't want. But, you know, logic escapes most people's brains, so I get to fuck with this shit because the dealer's fucking a bunch of idiots. Alright, so there's a drain plug. Very similar placement to when Danielle had her Captiva, which I call the Craptiva, because it was a piece of GM shit just like this. Anyway, you know, just undo the plug, dump the fluid out, measure what you got, and refill. Any toddler could do that. So, you know, it's 6, whatever fluid it is, Dex, Merc, who cares? Anyway, you know, Valvoline makes one that pretty much covers everything. So, and it's approved. So, before GM gets feisty, go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself, GM. Drain, fill, repeat in another 50K. Yeah, it's Arizona muddy down here. You know what else is Arizona muddy? Probably your mom. But I get a nice meeting tomorrow with the service writer. He actually emailed me back, which is not a good thing for him because I've already given him a hard time since the day we brought it to him, literally a month after I bought this piece of crap. So, yeah, these fucking GM assholes can suck my balls, and I'm being honest, and if they want to give me shit, I have an AllData account, so I can access all the bullshit they have. So before they try to bullshit me, they can go fuck themselves. That's the drain plug. I'm dumping whatever we have in there. I'm measuring it, and I'm putting the exact amount back in. So, suck my balls, you fucking asshole piece of shit GM dealer cocksucking idiots. Thank you. Alright, so I got it loose. I'm gonna drain it. I'm recording me draining it because I don't want any dealer tech saying, oh, you didn't drain it. Guess what? If you're a dealer tech, you're either A, waiting for a callback on a better position, or B, you're gonna probably kill yourself in the next, wow, that's pretty fucking nasty. Good job, GM, because it's apparently a lifetime fluid. That smells like shit, too. But anyway, if you're a dealer tech, you're either A, riding high on the higher ups, B, you're just there till somebody else hires you, or C, you're too fucking stupid to work anywhere that actually treats you right, to where you don't fuck people. But this fluid is like brownish black nasty. It's fucking vile. And it smells like shit. But you know, it's a lifetime fluid, right? And at 55-ish thousand miles, apparently it's a lifetime fluid. But you know, your mom's vagina is a lifetime tight hole too, but we know that's wrong, especially if she's working it. Alright, we've drained our fluid. And I've dumped it into this 2.5 gallon container. Putting my finger on the side, which would make it right there, which, if I do that on this side, it's about 5 quarts. That's about right. So we're going to put 5 quarts back in it and go from there. All right, so there's my filler funnel. I got fluid out the yin-yang because I stock it. Yeah, GM. It says Dexron 6. So, you can suck it. Dexron 6. So 5 quarts of this, dumped in there, and we done. All right, 5 quarts in. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You know, if someone pays $400 to do this at the dealership, you are special. That's like $40 of fluid. And 20 minutes of my life. Anyway, but you gotta go to the dealer. No, you don't. Anyway, next step, I'm gonna clean this cap because obviously they have playing fuck with it, and put it back and drive the car, and then I get to have a nice long convo. I don't know why the light turned off, but I get to have a nice long convo with the dealer tomorrow. All right, well, it's backed out of the carport, so that's a plus. We haven't broken the GM garbage yet. If it makes it around the block, we good. But it's still under warranty with GM because it's powertrain, so if it does break, it's still their fucking problem. Even though I have evidence that they fucked it up. Which is normal because, you know, GM, they see a girl come in. So they're like, oh, she's too stupid to know what she's doing. Guess what? She's married to somebody that's been doing this stuff since they could barely walk. So, y'all can suck it, GM.